Meaning of highlighter.
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 Highlighter. A highlighter is a type of pen or marker that is used to emphasize or draw attention to specific text or written material. It is typically a brightly colored pen that is used to underline important points in documents or books, or to mark specific sections for later reference. The ink used in a highlighter is typically translucent, allowing any text underneath it to remain visible, while still making the highlighted section stand out. In addition to being used for academic or professional purposes, highlighters are also popular among artists and crafters for creating colorful designs and decorations.